Hi guys, happy Wednesday. Are you guys ready for a craft project? I am. All right guys, here's the deal. Here's the 411. Over the weekend, we went to an antique store. Now within this antique store was a vendor's little booth that I fell in love with. I literally sat there and I was like, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Would you just look at that? I was in awe. I was in awe. And I was so excited. I'm like, I'm gonna take one of those, two of those, and one of those. But here's the catch. When I went to look at the prices, I thought, $26 for this little item? Highway robbery, highway robbery. Not gonna happen. And I thought to myself, oh Liz, as much as you love that, we have to be practical here. That's way overpriced. We can't have that. So I came home, I thought about it, and thought about it, and thought about it. And then I thought about it and grabbed my car keys and ran to Hobby Lobby, picked up some items, and here we are. Item number one that I saw at the store that I thought was adorbs. Right there. So cute, so cute. But I thought I could do that. I could whip something up. It may not look as good as that, but we're gonna try. I went to Hobby Lobby looking for the little pot or vessel, whatever you wanna call it. And I couldn't find one. I just couldn't at my store. So yeah, I had to go to a plan B. This is my plan B. I got two of these and two of these. Twos are very big over here. I don't know what it is about me, but again, it's the symmetry thing. I always think, oh, you gotta have one here and one here. Anyway, I got two of these. And then as I was going to check out, I found these and I thought, maybe I could do something interesting with these. So I got two of these. I got a mossy matte peel and stick. I got two of these because I'm gonna try to make several. I got some spheres, some styrofoam spheres. And then I got some larger ones. I pretty much got two of everything. And then I got a couple cones in different sizes. Yeah, one bigger, one smaller. So yeah, we're just gonna have fun. And like I said, I only got two of these. I may need a lot more, who knows? A sphere moss ball for spring. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's about to get messy. Oh, yes it is. I just cleaned the house. I just vacuumed the carpet. Why, Liz? Why? Oh yeah, this, I don't know how many this will do, but pretty cool, right? And it's peel and stick. So I can pull this off and it's gonna be nice and sticky. Now, I've never done this before, so this is a first. So sometimes you try something the first time and it works great and you're like, woohoo, I did it. And other times you're like, better luck next time. So what I'm thinking is, see, you peel this off. It's rather sticky. And I've got my hot glue gun plugged in over there just in case. But this is really sticky, but I'm trying to think how I can best do this. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I have no idea how this is gonna work. One moss ball, done. It was a little tricky, a little messy. Those little things, these little mats are so sticky that it was folding over and getting stuck to itself. So don't be like me, leave the paper on as you kind of roll it onto the sphere. So anyway, I like it. It's cute. I have to lay it down to roll it. There we go. Oh no, it got stuck again. Where are my scissors? So I have to say it's pretty forgiving because it is so sticky. If you get it on there and it looks funny, you literally can just press it and move, you know, the moss around, and it pretty much folds over on itself and sticks. So see, like right here, I've got excess moss, and I'll be able to take this. Let's see, where's the sticky side? And just fold it over. Okay, so I have my cute little vase, and I picked up a few of my favorite little greenery bushes at Hobby Lobby. I mean, on its own, it looks super cute, right? But I'm gonna put my moss ball in the center of it. So I'm just gonna set it in here. Just like that. But now I'm going to make it a little cuter. So I picked up some cute little ribbon, and I think I'm gonna tie it around the vase. And this is what it looks like. I just wanted something kind of cute and dainty around it with some, you know, different texture right here, and then my moss ball. So now here's the smaller version. So like I'm just putting this in and kind of spreading it out. And then I've got my other moss ball, and I'm simply going to just sit it right in the center. Just like that. And now I'm gonna add ribbon around this. And like I said, you always gotta play with this greenery to get it just the way you want it. And I think that's cute. By the way, I was looking for a small ribbon like this, and I wasn't finding it in the regular ribbon section of Hobby Lobby. So I went down the wedding aisle, and this is where I found this ribbon. Sorry, someone was at the door. Okay, so I think these both turned out really cute. And I could put these together on a tray, elevate one, keep one lower. I think they're adorable. I really do. So larger, smaller, but I could even put these on a cute tray and then maybe place a bunny or a bird for spring next to it, or Easter eggs. Okay, so my next idea was inspired by this right here. Check it out, study it, look at it, and let's see if I can recreate it Liz style. All right, for the next project, I'm gonna be using these two cute containers. And then I have two grapevine wreaths in two different sizes, one a little larger, one a little smaller. I also have some styrofoam, which I'm going to cut down to get into each container. And then I also have some floral pins. I think my hot glue gun may be required for this project, so let's get into it. So using my scissors, I'm just gonna cut these. I need something for my wreath to grab onto. Perfect. I just needed a little piece, that's it. I'm gonna do the same thing on the next one. Perfect. See? And it's just something for my floral pin to grab onto. And this is what the floral pin looks like. So when I take this, I'm gonna do something like this, but I need my floral pin to dig down into the styrofoam to hold this straight. Let's do this. Now in hindsight, I should have gotten the larger pins, but basically I'm just taking this, I kind of go down like this, and it drags the grapevine right down into the styrofoam just where I need it. So I put, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 of the pins in, and you can see it's not going anywhere. Look. So all is good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and separate them and snip them right here with my wire cutters. And then I'm gonna go into the styrofoam and put like the greenery down below. So right around both sides. Change of plans. I did this instead. I took a little snippet of this moss that was left over, and then I'm just placing it, like I'll show you in a sec. I'm placing it right here, and then I'm gonna cut off the excess on the ends. Okay. I actually think it looks really cute. I actually think it's super cute. So you can see that all of what's under here is covered. It's covered. Now I can figure out what I want to do with this. Okay, let's play and have some fun. What am I gonna do? I have an idea. So I'm simply separating these little branches like this. And then I'll figure out what I'm gonna do. All right, they're all separated. Okay, what to do? So far what I did was I stuck one here and one here. And I want this not to be the same on all sides. I kind of want it to be more on one side, so stay tuned. Okay, so I really like how this looks. Now, what do I want to do? I think I want to tie a ribbon on here. I do. So I did add one more little bushel down here because I wanted it to just come out like that. Anyway, I had some ideas. Like I found this cute little bird down in my storage room, and I thought I could hot glue him up here, almost like he's perched in there. How cute would that be for spring? But I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do some plan B. So I have these cute little nests. I found these at an antique store in a grouping of 3. So I thought, what if I hot glued, you know, one of these on here? It's a different garland, but I think it would be really cute. It gives it visual interest. And then I'll make the smaller version exactly like this and maybe group them together. So here's the next one. And then I'm going to take my floral wire. Let's see if I can show you. And then I'm just going to go right through one of these branches and then down. See, it puts it perfectly into place. It's just awesome. And I'll do that a few other times, probably, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 times with these, because I want it in there nice and securely. But yep, see, it's not going anywhere. See? All right, let's put the moss on now. See, I put it on there, and then I'm just gonna cut the excess off. All done on both sides. All right, now we can start adding these little picks. I forgot to mention no hot glue is required. I'm just simply sticking these through the branches of the grapevine wreath, and it works out perfectly. Here we go. It's exactly how I wanted it. So it kind of goes up and then over this way. Now let's add the ribbon. So this is how my little one looks, and then I'm gonna go hot glue this on there. And then I have a pretty much a matching pair, but in 2 different pots. All right, we're all done now, and I think it's actually darling. So simple to make and so cute. And here's the other one. So I'm really happy with them. So one sheet, I was able to do 2 of this size ball. It's a 4.7 inch sphere. So anyway, if you want to make some of your own, you can get 2 out of this one sheet. Now, if you like anything I've created here, just do it your way, your style, your colors. Me, my favorite color is green, so when I saw this ribbon, I thought, oh, I have to have green. And green is all throughout my house. So if you were into blues, you could do a blue bow and, you know, jazz it up any way you want. You could actually do florals here instead of greenery, but I like the contrast. I like the bright pop of green with this darker deep green, and then I like the kind of sagey looking ribbon color. So anyway, I think these are fun projects anyone can do for spring. And then you can always add a bunny or Easter bunny next to it, and you'll be done. All right, my sweet friends, that will wrap up my Wednesday video. Friday, we might be back down in the basement decorating for spring and Easter. So come back and see me then. I love you guys so much, and I want to thank you for all of your wonderful comments. And I need to do an apology tour because I have yet to respond to anyone. Since we had company, I really wasn't on my computer or my phone very much, but I did manage to approve them all and read them all, and I love you guys so much. So thank you, and I will see you guys Friday. Bye, guys.